Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and matching sequence settings. Once done, duplicate the clip and keep a backup track so you can revert. Apply warp stabilizer immediately and wait for Analyze to finish. This prevents warping after speed changes. Make sure result is set to smooth motion and smoothness to a moderate value like 50% so you get correction without extreme cropping. This first pass gives you a stable base before any time manipulation. Stabilize first, speed later to avoid artifacts. Once warp stabilizer completes, change method if you see warping. Switch to position, scale, rotation to reduce weird distortions. Make incremental smoothness tweaks and reduce crop less percentage to preserve edges. Use scale to fill only when necessary because it zooms footage. After you're happy, right-click and nest the stabilized clip so any speed changes happen to a clean clip. Nesting locks stabilization results and prevents Analyze conflicts. Now you can safely apply time remapping or retiming without destabilizing the image. You now add speed. Enable time remapping and place keyframes where you want ramps, or use rate stretch for global speed. Set frame sampling to optical flow for smoother interpolated frames, then render previews to confirm results. Export when satisfied. If you see wobble or stretching, undo the speed change, switch warp stabilizer method to position/scale/rotation or lower smoothness, then restabilize and renest. That troubleshooting step fixes most artifacts. Revert to your backup clip if results still look wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.